Okay, so now we have our gun sound effect and the muzzle flash. So the next thing is I want to see what I can hit by this gun, right? So I want to hit the wall, right? Because I'm finding something. I want to hit something. Okay, so how to do this is in the Unreal Engine, they have the line trace. And the other thing is like a sphere trace or something, but basically they are trying to shoot a line across the start point and the end point. They will shoot a line or shoot a sphere. But anyway, they just try to detect anything between the start point and the end point. If it hits something, it will give you the result, like a position where it hit, and the blocking or some other information. But basically, it's called line tracing. So we can do this right now. So the first of all, everything should happen after I fire. I click the left mouse button, right? We want to fire. So we play the sound, we show the effect. So now I want to know what I hit. So line trace hit here. So the line trace basically use the famous structure called F hit result, and we just call it hit result. Okay. And you can go into this structure to see. Okay, here the distance we hit, the location, the impact point. There are lots of information, trace, start, and yeah, those are the information. Engine will help us to fill those information for us if we hit something. Okay, so those are useful information. So, but before we use that, we need to fill out something for them. This structure just for hit result, right? So, but the real line tracing functions come from get word, and we try to do line trace single because we just try to use a single one. We have a different option right now, but we just want to single one. And the first request is this structure. So we just put this one, hit result. So which means after the engine do the line tracing, it will fill all the information here for us. Then we can use this later on, right, to do anything we want. But yeah, right now we just try to run this API. So the first thing is line trace, and you can see the next one is the start, because the line should start from somewhere, right? So we need to start, and you can see the next one's end, okay? And the next one's collision channel. So we need to tell this function which collection we want to test, which means this line will be blocked by which collision channel. Yeah, but let's do this one by one. So the first one, we need a start point. Okay. So we can declare a vector called start. And where is our start point? Remember, we want to shoot this line start from the socket, right? We want to shoot start from the socket, so we can use, but this socket transform is the type of transform, but it needs a vector. So, but we just need to simply extract the location. Okay, so we have this location. So this is our start. Let's put into that, and we need the other one is for the end, right? Oops. Let me copy paste very quick. Okay, we need the end vector. So So the n vector pretty much, you can think about it. Okay, I have a trace, I have a line shooting from the start point, because this is a vector, right? Start somewhere, and let's say we start here, and I want to keep going. This line will be super long line, but I only have a start point. I don't know this line should going up or going right or going to some kind of a angle. So, but I do know I want to follow the gun's direction, right? So, which means if the gun point to here, I want to extend the direction very long, but not this one, not this one, is the one follow the gun direction. But how can I know where is the gun direction? So the first of all is we need to know how our socket direction, right? So the way we do this is we get the socket rotation, get rotation, right? Get rotation means, let me show you. Get rotation means right now I know where the socket point to. Of course, we need the x axis especially, right? We don't care about the y and z. We need to know the x direction. So after, let me save this file very quick. I mean, we can use, we can save the rotation very quick. We use call start rotation, and like we did before. Now this start rotation tell us where, what rotation we have right now. And like I said before, but we only care about is the x axis, right? So we create another vector called rotation axis. But how can I get the axis, x axis? Basically, we just use this rotation, and they already built this for us called get axis x. Okay. Oops. So now we have the rotation x. So back to our end, we have enough information right now. So we have a start point, and we know where is the direction the line tracing should go, right? So this direction, and we need some distance. So we just randomly put some, not randomly, but we just put some large number, which means this line trace will trace really long. Maybe too long, I don't know, but we can try this first. And this point is the end point. Okay, cool. So we'll put here, and now we need to give a collision channel. So far, we just put the visible. It's, I think, is a easiest one. We can change this later, but don't worry about it. Okay, if the object they declared, and let's say they are under the visible channel, and we can test. We will be hit or blocked by those kind of object. Okay, so right now we are doing a line test. Okay, and after that we can do some debug. So which, for example, if we hit something, right? If we hit something, this bool flag will be true, because remember I said this variable will be filled out after we're doing the tracing. So which means right now, if we hit something, this flag will be true. If we not, it will be false. Okay, so we try to we can print some debug line. Start And this is a line. We can see if the direction is right or not. And I want to print the hit point also. So we draw a sphere. And we draw the sphere at the hit location. And then this is a size of sphere, and we want to put blue. And these two things we only want to show in 2 seconds. So let me make sure, do we include this one? Yeah, we already included. Okay, so we can try it out. Let me close this first. Skeleton. No, I don't want to save anything. So let's build again. Oops, something happened. Let me see. Scartram undeclare. Let me see what happened here. Star transform. Oh, right there. Yeah. Our stock transform hit a muzzle flash. Oh yeah, we should under this one because we need to make sure we really fire something, right? We fire something because we have a barrel socket. Okay, yeah, let's build again. And gate rotation is not, remember, gate rotation, okay, typo. What else? Let me got oxy. This is a function, so yeah, okay. Okay, so now let's try play. Okay, there you go. You see the red line is a trace direction, and the blue sphere is the hit point, right? So every time we fire, we will shoot a trace and hit something. Alright, now we can hit something, and we know where we hit. That's great.